How's it going, everybody? Today I'm going to try to get this in here by myself in a noisy garage on a very, very windy panhandle day. So let's see how this goes. Okay, to explain what's going on here, this bar right here is called the Panhard bar. So this bar is a lot beefier and stronger than this bar right here. And we're going to be taking this one off and replacing this one. So correct me if I'm very, very wrong, but this bar controls the lateral movement of the axle. So in hindsight, getting a bigger, stronger bar is going to tighten up the chassis, preventing wheel hop and making it a stiffer drive, which I hope so. And I do have a BMR PANHARD bar support brace right up there that I did make a video for, and let's see how far we can get. Okay, so to remove these things right here, these bolts are an 18mm socket, wherever I can find it, wherever it is. Got it upside down. Great. Right there. There we go. It's an 18. Fits very snug. On this side, the bolt we've taken out is pointing forward, but on that other side, it's pointing inward, so you got to go out and behind it. So we are going to see if we can do it. And these are flag bolts. On the other side, it's got a little stopper, so you can keep going on ahead on this side. Well, my electricity's out. So whatever, we don't have a choice anymore. That's tightening. Alright, I give up. Well, guys, I'm gonna spray this with some penetrating lube. Kind of lube her up a little bit. I'm gonna let her soak. We're gonna do the same to this side that you cannot see. It's this one right here. Yeah. Right. Okay, with the use of this very handy dandy impact gun, I don't know why I was using a ratchet. We got it off very quickly. So see if it'll focus right now. See that bolt on the other side? This is a flag, the flag nut, I guess. And while this is turning, this gets caught by something and it just falls right out. You take the bolt out with a little bit of persuasion, or maybe not. It's out now. So I just got to figure out how to do the other side, because this is not going to fit back there. So on that side, I'm going to have to use a ratchet. So wish me luck. I may or may not show you because the lighting is just garbage, but we'll see. Alrighty, so on this end, I got a wrench, put it around that the ratchet, and it gave me enough leverage to break it loose. so we'll be able to get it right off. Okay, so we got both bolts off, both flag bolts off. So now I'm just gonna bang the actual bolt itself off. I don't know. These are flag. This is a flag nut. I don't know. Race car. Got these off. I'm gonna hit out the bolts and then take out the bar itself. Got my trusty hammer here. Oh my God! Oh shit. Oh shit. All right. Woo! Woohoo! So this is a Panhard bar, the stock one. Man, this thing is heavy compared to this. So this is a thicker one, but it's lighter for some reason. I don't know how much lighter, but it's definitely lighter than this thinner stock one. I don't know how that works. I just buy it and I put it on my car and that's about it. Not really, there's more to it than that. But yeah. So I'm going to clean up these ends right here, get all that rust off on both sides. Almost fail. Okay, got that cleaned up. I'm gonna put this one back in. So, looking at the car. Don't look at that. Looking at the car like this. You're gonna want the grease fitting. That's a straight down grease fitting on the passenger side, and the 90-degree grease fitting right there on the side that's on the side that's got this little cover in here that it's going into. So on the driver's side, 90-degree, passenger side, straight. Okay, after an hour of complete pain and agony, I finally got the new sway bar in on one side, and you see it right there. See 90-degree bushing on the driver's side here. Now, it is not gonna fit. It's not gonna fit, so you gotta like get this corner in first and then kind of just wiggle it back and forth until it just shimmies its way in there. Okay. A good half hour of totally not hammering this in. I got it in there. The second one was a lot harder to do because it's on a pivot point, I guess. That one was pretty easy to do. But I got it in there. It was a tight fit. Those they're not hammer marks. They come like that. But I got it in. This bolt. This one goes in from the back. From the back there. That bolt goes in from the front this way. So you tighten here, and on this one you tighten from back there, if you know what I mean. Right back there. Okay, so I have everything tightened up, buttoned in. So now we're going to talk about torque specs. So if you don't get anything out of this video, try to learn this. So we have the Panhard bar, and right above that we have the Panhard bar support brace. These, according to the internet, very reliable. Don't ever question it. 46 foot-pounds, and on the other side would be 85 foot-pounds. 46 foot-pounds, 85. And on the Panhard bar itself, again, according to the internet, would be 129 and 129 on that side. So we will do that. Okay, we're completely done torquing it down. By the way, this is the BMR Panhard bar. I never even told y'all that. It's the end of the video. But there it is. It's torqued down. It's in good shape.